Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Prajapati. So today I'm going to solve LeetCode number 387, first unique character in a string. So what you have to do, first we were given as a string LeetCode. So we have to find which of the first non-repeating character in it and we have to return the index of it. In this problem, LWET, L is not appearing second times in this string and it is found in index 0. So I have to return this. In second, 012 v is not in any other other frequency. V is not more than one frequency in this, so you have to return index number 2, 012. If does not exist, if like any element is not exist, all appearance is more than 2, so we have to return more than 1, so I have to return -1. So what we are going to solve, we are using unordered map for this, so we will take unordered map of the and character and one end type. We can clear name as M1. So directly is for loop, and from where we have to like for int I is equal to 0, and we have to go to s dot length. Then we have to increment the I value, and we have to calculate what we are doing. We calculate the frequency. Okay, if comment in this L how much time appearance, one time appearance, so return L1. In this second object like E is appearing two times. So we have written this. So what we are doing, we are calculating frequency. So we direct use M1 of S of I plus plus. So in this line, we are calculating the frequency of each element present in a string. Now what we are going to do, we are going another for loop for iterating in values. So similar like S dot length. So what we are going to check? So we are going to check if the frequency is M1 of S of I, which is equal to 1, so you have to return the index, so directly we return I, or if not, then we are going to return -1. If we run this, so it is passing all my test cases. I am adding one more test cases, anything like LWT my journey. Okay, then we're going to run. This also test case my journey. Output 0 because M is not repeating in any other in this present instance. So directly going to submit this. Okay, takes 7 milliseconds for this, and solution is now completely successful. This is not a solution. This is not a solution. Thank you.